Hi folks, I'm going to show you how to connect to the SciServer Oceanography image and get started working with SciServer Oceanography data analysis. We begin here, SciServer.org, and then click Login to SciServer. This is where you enter your credentials. I'm not going to show you how to register with the system. There's another video that does that. So you click Sign In. And then you are presented with these various options. Compute is the one that you're going to use most frequently, so let's go ahead and click that. And now we create a container. I'll show you how to do that. You click Create Container, you enter some information, its name, and then the compute image. And there are several options here. Let's go for Oceanography 2.3 with the integrated viewer. Now we select some user volumes. So we have my persistent storage volume here, various other things created by other people, my scratch volume, and then the data volumes that I want to connect to. So that again, there are some options here. Let's click anything that looks relevant. So ocean circulation file DB, and Poseidon. You might not have all of these available to you when you are creating the container. The data volumes that you're presented with as options depends on the groups that you belong to. You click Create. It creates the container. And then you click it to start working with the container. So this launches a Jupyter Lab dashboard, and over on the left hand side you can see the file system hierarchy, and you can see the various different volumes that I selected when I created the container that have been mounted. So if I just have a look in Poseidon, you can see loads of data volumes here. Go back home, ocean circulation, various different ocean circulation model solutions, storage under my username, persistent. You can see various different folders here which are permanently stored. And under temporary, under my username, you can see some scratch space. So let me show you how you can navigate. If you start opening the terminal, you're now at the command line, and you can see you're in the top of the hierarchy. Let's move down to my permanent persistent storage folder, and now you can see those folders I showed you. I'm going to run my bash rc script, and now you can work on these different folders as you would normally do at your command line. So that's useful. If you go over here to the left hand side, you can see the open tabs and your running processes. You can shut them down if you wish, or you can launch new ones. So let me show you how to launch a new one. I hit plus. Now I'm looking at Launcher again, so I can have various different notebook options, Python notebook, Julia notebook, an oceanography image notebook. The same things for console. So it's not a notebook, but it's a console, various different other options, and then the integrated Poseidon viewer, which is the subject of another video. So let me just show you how to launch a notebook. Let's click Oceanography. Now I'm at the command line in my untitled notebook. I can start typing. Let me show you how to run a notebook that I've already saved. We go to storage, descend into my hierarchy, And here's a previous notebook that I've already stored. So there are example YouTube videos of how to run LLC 90 analysis notebooks and LLC 4 through 20 notebooks starting from this point. When you're leaving the system, you can close your windows. And if you want, you can shut down everything. Close the Jupyter Lab terminal, and now you're left with your container view. You can stop it, you can delete it if you want. And when you return to the system, you just select this container from the list here. That's it. Hope that's useful. Thanks.